Hi everyone. The essence of mathematics is not to make simple things complicated, but to make complicated things simple. In this video, we are going to see Chapter 7 Matrices and Determinants, Episode 7. Today, we are going to learn about how to evaluate of determinant of order 3 by using Sar's rule. Let A, the order 3 cross 3, A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Write the entries of the matrix A as follows. A11, A21, A31, A12, A22, A32, A13, A23, A33. Next, first column 1 and column 2 has to be written once again. A11, A21, A31, A12, A22, A32. Then determinant of A is computed as follows. Determinant of A equal to product of A11, A22, A33 plus A12, A23, A31 plus A13, A21, A32 minus of A31, A22, A13 plus A32, A23, A11 plus A33, A21, A12. Now we are going to see example 7.17. Compute determinant of A using Sar's rule. If A equal to first row 3, 4, 1, second row 0, minus 1, 2, third row 5, minus 2, 6. Now I am going to find determinant of A. For that I need to make arrangement. Write the entries of matrix A as follows. So write column 1, column 2, column 3. Once again you write column 1 and column 2. Now find the product of 3 minus 1, 6. 3 minus 1, 6 plus 4, 2, 5 plus 1, 0, minus 2. Next, minus of 5 minus 1, 1 plus minus 2, 2, 3 plus 6, 0, 4. 3 into minus 1 into 6 is minus 18. 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. 1 into 0, 0, 0 into minus 2 is 0. Minus 5 into minus 1 into 1 is minus 5. Minus 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 3 is 12, minus 12. Plus 6 into 0, 0. 0 into 4 is 0. Minus 18 plus 40 is 22 plus 22. Minus of minus 5 minus 12 is minus 17. 22 minus and minus is plus 17. 22 plus 17 is 39. Now we are going to see the remaining sums in exercise 7.2. Question number 1. If A, B, A alpha plus B, B, C, B alpha plus C, A alpha plus B, B alpha plus C, 0 equal to 0. Prove that A, B, C are in GP or alpha is a root of ax square plus 2bx plus c equal to 0. Since we have A33 as 0, we are going to expand along column 3. So, A alpha plus B, A alpha plus B is in the place A13. That means you have to delete first row and third column. Then you have submatrices B, C, A alpha plus B, B alpha plus C. B alpha plus C is in the place of A23. So you will get 2 plus 3 is 5. So you will get negative sign. B alpha plus C. So you have to delete the second row and third column. You have the submatrix A, B, A alpha plus B, B alpha plus C plus 0. It's in the place of A33. So it's even. So plus delete third row and third column. Then you have A, B, B, C is equal to A alpha plus B. Now B into B alpha plus C is B square alpha plus BC minus of C into A alpha plus B is minus A alpha C minus BC minus B alpha plus C. A into B alpha plus C is AB alpha plus AC minus B into A alpha plus B is minus AB alpha minus B square plus 0 into 2 cross 2 matrix will become 0. Here plus BC minus BC will be cancelled. Here plus AB alpha minus AB alpha will be cancelled, which is equal to A alpha plus B into B square minus A alpha C minus B alpha plus C into AC minus B square. So which is equal to A alpha plus B. Here you take alpha commonly out. Take alpha commonly out, then we have B square minus AC minus of B alpha plus C. Here I am going to take minus sign commonly out. Then we have inside the bracket B square minus AC. Why I have taken minus sign? Because we have first term also B square minus AC. Now I am going to take B square minus AC commonly out. Then we have A alpha plus B into alpha is A alpha square plus B alpha. Minus and minus will become plus. B alpha plus C. B square minus AC into A alpha square plus 2B alpha plus C equal to 0 is given. Now equate B square minus AC equal to 0. Then we have B square equal to AC, which implies A, B, C are in GP. Or A alpha square plus 2B alpha plus C equal to 0, which implies alpha is a root of AX square plus 2BX plus C equal to 0. Question number 2. If A, B, C are P, Q and rth term of an AP, find the value of determinant A, B, C, P, Q are 1, 1, 1. Since it is in the form of AP, let A equal to A, B, C or P, Q and rth term. A equal to A plus P minus 1 into D, where capital A is the first term and D is the common difference. B is the qth term. B equal to capital A plus Q minus 1 into D. C is the rth term. So C equal to capital A plus R minus 1 into D. The determinant of A, B, C, P, Q are 1, 1, 1, which is equal to, in the place of A, substitute A plus P minus 1 into D. B place A plus Q minus 1 into D. C place A plus R minus 1 into D. P, Q are 1, 1, 1. Now what I am going to do, first row I multiply D inside. A plus P minus 1 into D is PD minus D. A plus QD minus D. A plus RD minus R. Multiply second row with D. Third row with D. So I am multiplying second row with D. Third row also with D. Then we have here PD, QD, RD. And third row is D, D, D. Now what I am going to do, I am going to change in R1. R1 as R1 minus R2 minus R3. So write R2 as it is PD, QD, RD. Third row also as it is D, D, D. R1 minus R2 minus R3. R1 is A plus PD minus D minus PD. R3 is minus D. So plus PD minus PD, and here also I am going to change this in R1. R1 minus R2 plus R3. So A plus PD minus D minus PD plus D. So minus D plus D will be cancelled. Then you will have A as a in the place of A11. Similarly, here also we will have A. Here also we will have A, which is equal to A, PD, QD, RD, D, D, D. Taking A from row 1 and D from row 3, then we have A, D. Row 1 will become 1, 1, 1. Row 2 you write as it is. Row 3 you take D, then we have 1, 1, 1. Now see, row 1 and row 3 are identical. Since R1 and R3 are identical, then the value of the determinant will become 0. AD into 0, which is equal to 0. Question number 3. If A, B, C are all positive and P and Qth and Rth term of a GP, show that log A P1, log B Q1, log C R1 equal to 0. Since it is in the form of in GP, then A is the Pth term. A equal to capital A R P minus 1. B equal to Qth term. A capital A R Q minus 1. C equal to Rth term. A R minus 1. Where A is the first term and R is a common ratio. Take log on both sides. Log A equal to log of A R P minus 1. It is in the form of multiplication, so which can be written as log A plus log R P minus 1. Log A equal to log capital A plus log R power P minus 1, which is equal to log A. By using the power rule, we get P minus 1 log R. Similarly, log B. Log B equal to log A plus Q minus 1 log R. Log C equal to log A plus R minus 1 log R. Determinant of log A P1, log B Q1, log C R1. In the place of log A, substitute log capital A plus P minus 1 log R. In the place of log B, substitute log capital A plus Q minus 1 log R. In the place of log C, substitute log capital A plus R minus 1 log R. P, Q, R as column 2, 1, 1, 1 as column 3. Now I am going to subtract R2 minus R1. R2 minus R1. So we have to write R1 as it is. You write R1 as it is. Now R2 minus R1. R2 is log A plus Q minus 1 log R minus R1 is minus log A minus of P minus 1 log R. Log A will be cancelled. Then we have log R. Take log R commonly out. Then we have Q minus 1 minus of P minus 1 is minus P plus 1. Then plus 1 minus 1 will be cancelled. Then we have log R Q minus P. Okay. So log R3 minus R2, log R2 is R2 minus R1. Q minus R log R, Q minus P, 1 minus 1 is 0. Next R3. R3 is R3 minus R2. Then we have R minus Q log R. R minus Q, 1 minus 1 is 0. Now take Q minus P from R2, R minus Q from R3. Then we have first row you write as it is. When you are taking Q minus P commonly out, R minus Q from R3, then second row will become log R 1 0. Third row also log R 1 0. Now see, R2 and R3 are identical. Since R2 and R3 are same, then value of the determinant will become 0. Q minus P into R minus Q into 0, which is equal to 0. Let us boost our brain power. Can you solve this complicated math puzzle? Pause the video here. Give it a try. Can you solve this? Let's begin to solve. Assume A as a 9, B as a 1. The rule is A of A plus 1 plus B plus B minus 1. Substitute A as a 9, B as a 1, then we get 91. Similarly, Consider A as 8, B as a 2, then we get 75. Then A as a 7, B as a 3, we get 61. A as a 6, B as a 4, we get 49. A and B is equal to 5, we get 39. A is 3, B is 7, then we get 25. Interesting. Question number 4. Show that determinant of a square plus x square, AB, AC, AB, B square plus x square, BC as second row, AC, BC, C square plus x square as third row is divisible by x power 4. Now I am going to multiply and divide by ABC. Then I am going to multiply R1 with A, row 1 with A, R2 with B, R3 with C. So first I am going to multiply R1 with A square B, A square C. R2 with B, AB square, B of B square is x square, B square C. R3 with C, A C square, B C square, C of C square plus x square. Next, take A from column 1, B from column 2, C from column 3. Then again we have numerator as ABC. We have taken A from column 1. Then we have A square, A from column 1. Then we have A square plus x square, B square, C square. B from column 2. Then we have A square, B square plus x square, C square. Take C from column 3. Then we have A square, B square, C square plus x square. ABC will be cancelled, which is equal to A square plus x square, A square, B square plus x square, B square, C square, C square plus x square. Now I am going to add R1 plus R2 plus R3 and I am going to make changes in R1. Write R2 and R3 as it is. Now I am going to add R1 plus R2 plus R3. A square plus B square plus C square plus x square. A square plus B square plus C square plus x square. A square plus B square plus C square plus x square. Now I am going to take A square plus B square plus C square plus x square commonly out. Then R1 will become 1, 1, 1. Write R2 as it is. R3 also as it is. Taking A square plus B square plus C square plus x square from R1, which is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus x square. Now what I am going to do, I am going to make changes in column 2 and column 3. Write column 1 as it is. Make changes in column 2 and column 3. Column 2 as column 2 minus column 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. B square plus x square minus B square is plus B square minus B square will be cancelled. Then we have x square. C square minus C square is 0. Then column 3 as column 3 minus column 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. B square minus B square is 0. C square plus x square minus C square. C square plus x square minus C square. Plus C square minus C square will be cancelled. Then we have x square. Now I am going to expand along R1. Expanding along R1. Because we have two elements as 0. Which is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus x square. 1 of 2 cross 2 matrix x square 0, 0 x square minus 0 of 2 cross 2 matrix B square 0, C square x square plus 0 of B square x square C square 0, which is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus x square. 1 x square into x square is x power 4, 0 to 0 minus 0. Minus of submatrix, that is 2 cross 2 matrix also will become 0, plus 0 into 2 cross 2 matrix will become 0, which is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus x square into 1 into x power 4 is x power 4. Therefore, the given determinant is divisible by by x power 4 divisible by x power 4. Question number 5. If a equal to 1 by 2 alpha 0 1 by 2. Prove that summation of k equal to 1 to n. Determinant of a power k equal to 1 by 3 into 1 minus 1 by 4 power n. A equal to 1 by 2 alpha 0 1 by 2. Now find determinant of a. Determinant of 1 by 2 alpha 0 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 4 minus 0 into alpha is minus 0. 1 by 4 minus 0 is 1 by 4. Now a square. A square is a into a. A is 1 by 2 alpha 0 into 0 1 by 2. 1 by 2 alpha 0 1 by 2. Now multiply. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 plus alpha into 0 is 1 by 4. 1 by 2 into alpha is alpha by 2. Alpha into 1 by 2 is alpha by 2. So 2 alpha by 2. 2 and 2 will be cancelled. Alpha. 0 into 1 by 2 is 0. 1 by 2 into 0 is 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 into alpha is 0 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. Now we are going to find determinant of a square. 1 by 4 alpha 0 1 by 4. Then we have 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 minus 0, which is 1 by 4 the whole square. Similarly, determinant of a cube is 1 by 4 whole cube. Dot dot determinant of a power k, which is equal to 1 by 4 power k. So we need to prove summation of k equal to 1 to n determinant of a power k. In the place of k substitute 1, a determinant of a1, determinant of a square up to n dot dot of determinant of a n. We already found determinant of a is 1 by 4, determinant of a square is 1 by 4 square, dot dot determinant of a power n is 1 by 4 power n, which is in the form of Cp with a is equal to 1 by 4 and r is equal to 1 by 4. First term is a is 1 by 4. Second term divided by first term is r, that is also 1 by 4. Now we are going to find Sn. Sn of Gp is a into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r. A is 1 by 4 into 1 minus 4 by 1 by 4 the whole power n by 1 minus 1 by 4. It is equal to 1 by 4 into 1 minus 1 by 4 power n. In the denominator, if you are taking LCM, 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 4 into 3 by 4. When you are bringing to the numerator, it will become 4 by 3 into 1 minus 1 by 4 power n. 4 and 4 will be cancelled. Then we have 1 by 3 into 1 minus 1 by 4 power n. So summation of k equal to 1 to n. Determinant of a power k is 1 by 3 into 1 minus 1 by 4 power n. Hence proved. Question number 6. Using cofactors of elements of second row, evaluate determinant of a where a equal to 5, 3, 8, 2, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. Determinant of a equal to 5, 3, 8, 2, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. Expanding along R2. Cofactor of 2. 2 is in the place of 8 to 1. It's an odd number. So you will get negative sign. Delete the second row and first column. Then we have 3, 8, 2, 3. Minus of 3 3s are 9. Minus 8 2s are 16. 9 minus 16 is minus 7, which is equal to minus into minus is plus. So plus 7. Cofactor of 0, which is equal to 0 is in the place of A22, which is even. Then use plus sign. So you have to delete second column and second row. Then we have 5, 8, 1, 3. 5, 8, 1, 3. 5 3s are 15 minus 8, which is equal to 7. Cofactor of 1. 1 is in the place of A23, which is odd. Delete second row and third column. Then we have 5, 3, 1, 2. Since it is odd, we have to use negative sign. 5 2s are 10 minus 3. Minus of 10 minus 3 is 7 minus 7. Determinant of A. We are going to expand along R2, which is equal to A21 into A21, cofactor of A21 plus A22 into cofactor of A22, A plus A23 into A23. A21 is 2, A21 is 7, 2 into 7. A22 is 0 into 7 plus A23 is 1 into minus 7, capital A23 is, which is equal to 2 7s are 14, 0 into 7 is 0, 1 into minus 7, 7. So 14 minus 7, which is equal to 7. 2 7s are 14, 0 into 7 is 0, 1 into minus 7 is minus 7. 14 minus 7, which is equal to 7. Question number 7. Write the general form of a 3 cross 3 skew symmetric matrix and prove that its determinant is 0. Let A equal to 0 AB as first row, minus A 0 minus C as second row, minus B C 0 as third row. Now I am going to find A transpose. Transpose means we have to change row into column. So first column as first row, second column as second row, third column as third row. Now which is equal to A but minus A. We have 0 AB but here we have 0 minus A minus B. Minus A 0 minus C, here we have A 0 C, minus B C 0, here we have B minus C 0, which is equal to minus of A. So here A transpose, which is equal to minus A, which shows A is a skew symmetric matrix. A is a skew symmetric matrix. Next I need to prove this determinant is 0. Now I am going to find determinant of A. A 0, A, B, minus A 0 minus C, minus B, C 0. Now I am going to expand along R1. 0 is in the place of A11, so it is even. So we get positive sign 0. Delete the first row and the first column. We have 0 minus C, C 0. A is in 1, 2, which is odd. So you will get minus of A. It's in the place of 1, 2. Delete first row and second column. Then we have minus A, minus C, minus B, 0, plus B. Because B is in 1, 3, which is even. So we have to use plus B. Delete first row and third column. Then we have minus A, 0 minus B, C. Now 0 into this determinant is 0, minus A. 0 into minus A is 0. Minus and minus is plus BC. 0 minus into BC is minus BC plus B. Minus A into C is minus AC. Minus B into 0 is 0. So we will get plus 0. So we get minus A into minus BC is plus ABC. Plus B into minus AC is minus ABC. Plus ABC minus ABC is cancelled, which is equal to 0.